Hello and welcome. In this lesson, you will hear 100 simple daily life sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Group 1, waking up. 1. I wake up when the sun rises. 2. I stretch my body in bed. 3. I sit up slowly and smile. 4. I drink a glass of water first thing. 5. I open the window for fresh air. 6. I fold my blanket neatly. 7. I brush my teeth with care. 8. I wash my face with cool water. 9. I dry my face with a clean towel. 10. I feel ready to start the day. Group 2, getting ready. 11. I choose comfortable clothes to wear. 12. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. 13. I put on my shoes before leaving. 14. I prepare a light breakfast. 15. I eat eggs and bread in the morning. 16. I drink tea or coffee with breakfast. 17. I check the time on my watch. 18. I pack my bag with what I need. 19. I grab my phone and wallet. 20. I lock the door before going out. Group 3, going to work or school. 21. I walk to the bus stop every morning. 22. I greet the bus driver politely. 23. I sit near the window on the bus. 24. I listen to music on my headphones. 25. I look at people on the street. 26. I see shops and cafes on the way. 27. I see children carrying school bags. 28. I enjoy the view of trees outside. 29. I read the news on my phone. 30. I arrive at my destination on time. Group 4, starting the day. 31. I say hello to my classmates or coworkers. 32. I sit at my desk and get organized. 33. I open my notebook and write today's date. 34. I check emails or messages. 35. I make a list of my tasks. 36. I focus on my first activity. 37. I ask for help when I need it. 38. I join a short morning meeting. 39. I write notes during the meeting. 40. I continue working quietly. Group 5, midday. 41. I drink water to stay fresh. 42. I take a short walk in the hallway. 43. I chat with a friend for a few minutes. 44. I return to my desk quickly. 45. I complete an important task. 46. I save my work on the computer. 47. I check my schedule again. 48. I prepare for lunchtime. 49. I pack my things neatly. 50. I head to the cafeteria. Group 6 lunch. 51. I wash my hands before eating. 52. I order food from the counter. 53. I wait patiently in the line. 54. I find a seat with my friends. 55. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. 56. I drink water or juice with my meal. 57. I share a laugh with a friend. 58. I talk about weekend plans. 59. I throw away the trash after eating. 60. I return to work feeling full. Group 7. Afternoon routine. 61. I finish small tasks in the afternoon. 62. I check emails one more time. 63. I attend another short meeting. 64. I give my ideas during discussions. 65. I listen carefully to instructions. 66. I work on a project with focus. 67. I stand up and stretch for a break. 68. I drink a cup of tea or coffee. 69. I tidy at my desk. 70. I prepare to go home. Group 8. Going home. 71. I leave the office at 5 o'clock. 72. I take the bus back home. 73. I sit quietly and relax. 74. I listen to a podcast during the ride. 75. I think about what I did today. 76. I plan tomorrow's work in my mind. 77. I get off the bus near my street. 78. I walk home slowly. 79. I wave to a neighbor on the way. 80. I arrive home safely. Group 9 evening. 81. I change into comfortable clothes. 82. I wash my hands and face again. 83. I prepare dinner in the kitchen. 84. I cut vegetables and cook rice. 85. I eat dinner with my family. 86. We share stories while eating. 87. I wash the dishes after dinner. 88. I relax on the sofa for a while. 89. I watch a short TV show. 90. I drink a cup of warm milk. Group 10. Night routine. 91. I check my phone one last time. 92. I reply to important messages. 93. I set the alarm for tomorrow. 94. I read a book before bed. 95. I write a short note in my journal. 96. I brush my teeth at night. 97. I put on my pajamas. 98. I switch off the lights. 99. I lie down and close my eyes. 100. I fall asleep peacefully. Excellent work! You have practiced 100 daily life sentences. Listen often, repeat after me, and use them in your daily routine. See you next time.